So these are the meme coins and the utility coins that I'm buying on Solana and Ethereum because Bitcoin bullrun is back, the crypto bullrun is back, and I will show you full proof why, and I will show you the best tools to use if you want to take advantage of this market. First of all, Bitcoin is at 103,000. It actually reached 104,000 for a few seconds, minutes. I actually talked about this in my previous video. You can watch the previous video if you don't believe me, but I predicted 103,000. Why I predicted is because here is the main chart, which is global money supply. Here you can see it went up to 304,000. Right now we are in this little pump. So right now, right here, you can see that we might dump back to 99,000 or just below 100,000. Maybe we are not dumping below 100,000, and this was the last chance to buy below 100,000. But look at this. After mid-May, late May, right now it is May 9th. So in few days, we will see this huge pump, which will take us to around 120,000. That's my personal prediction. And this video is not a financial advice, but here you can see May is basically this huge pump, which will start around in 17, 20 of May. So we are a few days away. After that, as you can see here, in June, in early June, we will pump to around 126,000. Then we will have a little dump, but after that, in mid-June, new all-time highs to 140,000, insane. So what I'm buying is, what I'm happy is that Ethereum is pumping after all these years, all these months. Ethereum is back and pumping. What this means is that base meme coins, which is layer 2 on Ethereum, here you can see base meme coins are pumping like crazy. We have double-digit gains, even triple-digit. My favorite base meme coin, obviously, is BaseGod, because there is a high chance that it will be listed on Coinbase. Because Jesse Pollack, the founder of Base, basically has been replying and talking about BaseGod on multiple podcasts on his X account. So BaseGod is basically my main base hold. If we talk about Solana meme coins are basically going crazy because Solana is back at 175, something like that, which is, that's insane what's happening here. You can see 16% in the last 7 days. Ethereum up 27%, 20% in the last 24 hours. So if Ethereum is pumping, the altcoins and maybe the utility coins will be pumping, but that is 50-50. I know that meme coins will be pumping like crazy, and they are already pumping. If you're talking about Solana meme coins, I'm bullish on Ponke, and I talked about this again in my last video, and all this has pumped like crazy. Here you can see the last 24 hours for Ponke is insane, 28% up. I talked about Fog up 55%. So if you watched my last video, easy gains, Moodang 177% up, insane. These are my favorite ones. And Peanut the Squirrel 59%. So yeah, really crazy. And here is the main part, the juicy part, the most important part is that here you can see that people in Solana trenches are basically making so much money. If we look at the leaderboard daily, there are people making 50,000, 20,000, 18,000, so 5 digits daily just trading Solana meme coins. And what you can do, the most important part, you can actually track all of these people's wallets. You can see what they are buying, what they are selling, what they are holding long term, and how you can do it. First of all, you go on leaderboard. So let's go to weekly. Weekly people are making hundreds of thousands, and monthly even millions of dollars in meme coins right now. So really crazy. The next few months will be even insane. There you will see all the top 10 people making million a year. In a month. So how you can track these wallets is, here is their wallet address. You just click and you copy their wallet address. Now, how you can track is go on BullX. This is invite only. Everything is free, but it is invite only. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section below. You basically go on here, which is wallet tracker, add wallet. Here you will enter name, and enter wallet and add wallet. And here you will see everything that they are buying in the last minutes. You can basically track every single account that you find here, and you can find Capsi, Orangey, Ansem. How you can find these people is really easy. Just go on the main page on CallScan. Just write Ansem. Here he is. Here is his wallet. Now you want to track Capsi. Here is Capsi. You can copy trade him. You can just watch and learn what he is doing. What else? Dave Portnoy. This is the Barstool's inventor. He has his own crypto wallet on Solana as well. So this is the best tool. And on leaderboard, you can basically see how much these trenchers, these Solana Memecoin traders are making in the last hours. And you can actually track every trade again on BullX. So again, this is invite only, and invite link is in the description. You can track Twitter. So these are basically the biggest accounts. And as you may know, the meme coins are created based on news, on basically, some big CNN or CNBC, or here you can see KFC, Forbes, CoinGecko, all the biggest accounts that are in some way related to crypto. So yeah, you can track wallets for the biggest accounts. You can copy find all the wallets right here. There are many people that are streaming. For example, this guy Leans, he has his YouTube channel where he is actually streaming how he is buying and selling meme coins real time. So this is a real thing. This is not fake. If you have time, I would definitely recommend you to just watch and learn and do your research. I don't have that much time to spend 24 hours a day to buy and sell meme coins, but many people do, and they are making huge money. And especially in this market, while Solana is going up, Ethereum is going up, all the meme coins will be going up for the next few months. That's why don't fade this space. Use the best tool. Actually, why this is my favorite tool is because you can set your own gas fees, which is really important. So for example, you go for a token, Housecoin, and here you can set your own gas fees, which means that if hundreds of thousands of people are buying something at once, for example, Trump tweets a new meme coin, and there are hundreds of thousands of people trying to buy, there's a high chance that Solana can get so congested and swaps on Phantom Wallet or on exchanges or Jupiter Exchange are failing, and you cannot approve token, you cannot swap token. But right here, this is the best tool for basically doing this. Is you can set your own gas fees, which means that your transactions will go through before hundreds of thousands of people are buying. And imagine if we get to a real bull run euphoria, where we have these coin runs every single day that are running for not days, but for weeks and months, and you are buying before hundreds of thousands of other people are buying, you can get so rich, and you can basically set your own fees higher. For example, 0.011 Solana. I think the basic fee is like something like this or this, which are few cents, but you can actually set your gas fees to be few dollars. But you are buying again before hundreds of thousands of other people are buying. And imagine you buy, and only after you, those people, thousands, millions of people are buying, and you get all these gains. You can also set your slippage limit, buy bribe, which will basically increase your buy speed as well. You can also auto sell, auto buy. Here, basically auto sell. You can take profit when the coin goes up by 50%. You can buy when it goes up by 100%, 200%. And you can also put auto sell if it, for example, goes down by 10 or 20%, but you don't want for it to go to down to 99%. When you lose all your money, you can save yourself while you sleep. Just put an auto sell, set your gas fees a little bit higher so you don't get basically screwed. So yeah, this is the best tool. You can also learn how to be in trenches. There are many people on YouTube trenching every day, just buying these little meme coins, buying fast, selling fast. And why I love this tool is because you can see, for example, how many insiders there are, how many snipers, how much of the total supply is held by the top 10 people. So this is a great tool. You cannot get this data in any exchange or on Phantom Wallet. That's why this is really important. You can just go on a random coin. So let's, for example, let's check this one, Fog. You copy the address, you go on BullX, you basically search, enter, and here you will see all the data. So audit. So here is the audit. Here you can see top 10 holders are holding 27%. There are 67% held by insiders. Developer is holding 0%, bot users. So you basically see this data, these numbers, and you can think for yourself. You can understand what this means. So you will be, again, ahead of 99% of people, because most people don't know about this. They are just buying everything that they see on Twitter, on other YouTubers, but you can actually learn yourself. And yeah, BullX is the fastest platform where you can actually front run everyone else that are using, for example, centralized exchanges or just watching price on CoinMarketCap, because obviously these CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap doesn't update as fast as BullX. And again, if you want to use BullX, invite link is in the description and in the comment section. These are the biggest meme coins. The biggest meme coin cycle is coming. Don't fade this space because Bitcoin may be going down again to 100,000, 99,000. But after that, as I showed you, late May, mid-May, we will go to 120,000. So insane. Next 3 months, the whole summer will be crazy. That's why, again, don't fade this space. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.